Hey, Rainbow here, and I wanted to test something out today. I wanted to test out what I consider to be the torque of the Ducati Multistrada V4S. Now, I'm doing it in my own way. Obviously, we can take off in first gear. It's easy to take off in second gear. But then we also have third, fourth, fifth, and sixth gear. So for the very first time today, and I got it on video, I attempted to take off in third, fourth, fifth, and sixth gear. So all six gears, I made an attempt to pull away with the Multistrada V4S. Let's take a look. Hey, Rainbow here, welcome to my channel. We're going to do something a little bit different today. This should be relatively short, and we're going to see how many gears we can actually start off in. Obviously, it won't be a problem every day. We start off in first gear without any issues. Okay, yeah, go ahead, dude. You got it. But sometimes we may want to start off in second gear, so that's easy. And honestly, more and more I'm just starting off in second gear and just not even wasting my time in first gear. So as you can see, second gear you can start right off, go into third, but can we start in third gear? So let's see what kind of torque we have, and this is all about the torque, the low end torque of the Multistrada. So now I'm in third gear, and we can start off in third gear. And let's take it to fourth. So now I'm in fourth. Let's slow down. Oh shit, what am I doing? Let's try this again. All right, I'm in fourth gear. I don't want to push it up in the fourth again, then you might say that maybe it didn't click. All right, can we start off in fourth gear with the Multistrada V4S? Here we go. The answer is, woo! The answer is yes. All right. What else could we do? Could we do fifth gear? I'm going to kind of doubt that we can do fifth gear, to be quite honest with you. All right. But let's see what we can do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm in fifth gear. Could I actually start this bike running forward in fifth gear? I don't know about this one. Well, there's some torque. Looks like we can do it. And as far as sixth gear is concerned, I don't think I'm even going to bother trying, because I just don't think it can happen. I just really don't think that this bike will start in sixth gear. I don't see it happening. You know, I also don't see me burning out my clutch either. But okay, let's give it a whirl. You never know. Very silty, sandy down here. Look at all this garbage. All right, look at the shaking in first gear there. Let's wait for this yard truck to do his thing. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's no way. Sixth gear is, there's just absolutely no way I'm going to be able to start this bike in sixth gear. It's just, there's just no way. Okay, well, I guess I have to eat it on that one. So apparently this bike is set up with some low-end torque, because I was able to start this puppy moving forward in all six gears, which to me is a pretty damn good deal. All right, so we do have some low-end torque here. Time to go get something to eat. Hopefully get something to eat.
this is Rainbow. Like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And have yourself a great day.